So we can actually take our custom methods that we've made here a step further and add parameters to them. Parameter is something that you pass through to a method. So for example, if you see here, in this greeting to everyone method, there are no parameters. We just have empty brackets and that's the end of the story. However, in the println method, inside the brackets we have a singular string. That string is a parameter. This is something that the method is going to do with this piece of information. So we're going to delete these and create an altogether brand new method. And this method is just going to simply be called greeting. And we're going to pass through a string, and this string is going to be a place. You can call this whatever you like, it doesn't matter, but make it informative. So instead of having a method for each different place, we can just simply print out the name of the place that we want to greet and have everything all in one method. And then we can change this greeting to simply greeting, and we want to greet the world. So we'll pass that string through. We could even have this as a variable, and we could pass that through. And it would still work all the same. If I hit run, it works perfectly fine. And we can add comments to this method, but when you do that, you'll see that Eclipse has automatically added this @param place. So first let's just give the method description. So a method to greet a particular location. And here, right after this, we're going to write what the parameter is for. And this is going to be the place to greet. Now if we hover over our method here, you can see it then says parameters and then in bold place, the parameter that we have, and then it says what that parameter is for. I'm going to write out a second method now, which is going to show you how we would go about using multiple parameters. So we could have a greeting, again, string origin, string destination. So we can say hello from a certain place to another place. Now one thing you'll have noticed is that, hey, we've got two greeting methods here. Is that allowed? And yes, it is. This is called method overloading. This is when you have a method of the same name, however, they have different parameters, and so technically they're treated as different methods. The println method does it too. If you notice when I type out the println method and look at the autocomplete here, there's quite a long list of different println methods, each of them taking in different parameters, and so therefore they're counted as completely different methods. But anyways, here we're just going to print hello to the destination from our origin! Exclamation mark. Now you can see we've used our destination first and then our origin second. However, when we define the method, we're going to give it the origin first and the destination first because that just makes more sense. So here we could have a greeting from the galaxy to the entire universe. And as you can see, our parameters are just filled in. Hello universe from galaxy. And again, we can add a comment to this method as well, and we'll automatically be given two parameters.